Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Today we're doing an unboxing of the EchoVision glasses from Agiga. So the glasses come in this silver box, very nice. We have branding on the top here that says Agiga. On the side it says EchoVision and then has a picture of the glasses on the end cap. Let's go ahead and open it up. Folds right over, and we have some paperwork on the top here. And we have a fold out, probably quick start guide here. And one thing I'll mention is that all of this paperwork has both print and braille on it, which is great. Then underneath we get our first look at the case. We can slide that out. We'll set that aside for now. And we do have more stuff in the box, but it's hidden underneath this little insert. Pull that out. And here we have a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. We have a cleaning cloth. And then I believe these are temple caps. They go on the ends of the temples or the glasses arms to add a little bit of grip to the glasses. And that is it. Let's take a look at the case here. Very nice leather case. And this is a charging case, so your glasses charge while they're inside the case, and you actually charge the case up using the provided USB Type-C. Opening up the case, we see our glasses. Pull those out. Also in the case, we have the magnetic sunglasses shield or tinted shield. Set that aside. And that's it for inside the case. And all in all, just really high quality case. And here we have our glasses, and each arm or each temple has a piece of plastic covering it up, protecting those arms. And here we have our glasses. Now, I chose to get the clear lenses, but because I have the clear lenses, I also got the sun shield here, the magnetic sun shield that just magnetically clips on and works really well, turning these into sunglasses. And that's a quick look at everything that comes in the box with the EchoVision glasses. Stay tuned for more in-depth videos on the EchoVision glasses by Agiga. If you're interested in picking up the EchoVision glasses for yourself, I will include contact information in the video description down below. And if you'd like to see future videos talking about the EchoVision glasses, make sure you are subscribed to The Blind Life and turn on those bell notifications so you'll be alerted every time I put out a new video. Thanks again for watching. Sam with The Blind Life. I will see you next time.